Hi guys, welcome to another episode with your boy Phrankleen. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, if you like what I'm about, be sure to give us a subscribe and be sure to hit the like button and that little bell button so you can get my latest updates. And I usually upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, okay, at 3 p.m. UK time. I do my best, okay, to be consistent. Right. I'm going to talk briefly about something called destination addiction. And as humans, as you'd appreciate, we wake up every day. I don't know what you do, but to sort of summarize it, we are always on the move, grinding. It could be you chasing education, running to a job, trying to get a better career, and always doing something constantly on the move. But there is this thing called destination addiction. I was just reflecting the other day, and it's the idea that happiness is in the next place, it's in the next job, it's in the next relationship. It's your happiness is in the next partner, and we are constantly chasing happiness, constantly looking for happiness, perhaps in the places where we shouldn't be looking for happiness. And the problem about the destination addiction is we are never grateful, we are never satisfied. And the topic of happiness is actually subjective. I believe it's subjective, but I also believe as humans, we should be able to pull back a few steps and be able to take an inventory of our journeys and be grateful and change our orientations or mindset. Happiness, you'd find out, for example, I use relationship as an example. A lot of people go into marriages and relationship believing that that person, that partner, that woman, that man actually owe you, a degree of happiness. They don't. I hate to break it to you, okay? Yes, of course, you would find some level of satisfaction with that person and be able to cohabit and live life together and stuff like that. As long as certain boxes are ticked for you, then great stuff. You can talk about that relationship being a successful one. But if you're looking for your fulfillment, you're looking for happiness in a partner, in a boyfriend, in a girlfriend, in a husband and a wife, you're more than likely going to be disappointed. And happiness is a perspective. To me, as I said, happiness is subjective. Happiness, the way I look at everyday life as humans, we are a slave to time, money, and role. What do I mean? Time is a very crucial gift given unto man, okay? Time is irreversible. In fact, it forms a major cog in the everyday life, okay? So, but you'd realize a lot of us are on the move, constantly in a hurry, eating speedily, rushing, making decisions. Everything is fast-paced, fast-paced. We are becoming less and less grateful for even the little successes and stuff like that. A lot of people, we are chasing money. We are slave to finance. Yes, our lives are interconnected with finance. We need money to do a lot of things. But at the same time, we're never satisfied. There is that element of Oliver Twist in every one of us. We're constantly looking for more, seeking for more. We are never grateful. We're constantly, it's like somebody who's earning £1,500 after tax, right? And you are aiming to earn £2,500. You get to that £2,500, you realize you're never grateful. You're constantly looking for the next thing and the next thing. And a lot of people, somebody who is earning £1,000 a month is looking at the guy earning £5,000 a month, and you'll be shocked to find out there was a ton of people at that level who are not grateful, who are not happy. So what is that thing that causes that gaping hole in our hearts, in our lives, that people are constantly having that destination addiction? You want the next thing and the next thing, and until we die and we go 6 feet deep, and we're slaves to roles. We're constantly looking for this position and that position and that position, power, clout chasing. We are never satisfied. Happiness is subjective. For some people, it's the little things. It's the priceless things. Family, good family, kids. Maybe you feel It's up to you. Like I say, it's subjective. You feel fulfilled in your marriage. Your kids are healthy. They're growing. They're doing well academically. You are at a level in life and you appreciate the little things. Some people, it's good health. Because some people are wealthy. They're bedbound. They would pay any amount to be healthy. But unfortunately, some people are terminally ill. So what does happiness mean to you? I would love to hear from you guys. I'd love you to share your perspective below. What is happiness? What does it mean to you? Destination addiction is very deadly. It's ruining a lot of lives. It's sabotaging people. It's giving us this illusion. We're never satisfied. We're constantly on the run. Are you grateful enough? Anyway, it's your boy Phrankleen. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love. Bye now.